Are you looking for business ideas with low risk and high profit margin? Then you are at right place. Most people want to make the money but don't want to put in the effort. Your earning potential is based off the effort you put in your business. And selecting the profitable business idea that can give you good amount of profit. Today, in this video, we are sharing 20 business ideas with low risk and high profit. Number 1. Garden Tools and Service Center. Number 2. Sports coaching business. Number 3. Customized jewelry designer business. Number 4. Logo design services. Number 5. Outdoor adventures business. Number 6. Personal trainer. Number 7. Vintage toy producer. Number 8. Dance instructor. Number 9. Freelance writer services. Number 10. House cleaning business. Number 11. Financial planning services. Number 12. Pet sitting business. Number 13. Local marketing service. Number 14. Soap and lotion making. Number 15. Virtual assistant services. Number 16. Career counselor. Number 17. Financial aid consultant. Number 18. Hat making business. Number 19. Life coaching business. It is wiser to be in business if you have all the interests in it. You can be able to have and gain on something if you are being driven with passion and commitment. If you are just dedicated to this kind of business, you can easily reach what you aimed for. No matter how hard you try in business, if you have all the discipline and the determination to succeed, then you will be successful. And number 20, carpet installation business. Writing a business plan will help you determine risk factor of your business idea. So, write business plan before starting your business. If you have any questions on these business ideas, then feel free to ask your questions in comment box.